worse than DC.
And I don't know about DC itself. Wow, what was that?
This car, a bunch of cars just turned right in front of me in a green light.
They're like, 800,000-900,000. It's crazy.
Excuse me.
And
1 second, I gotta go. I'll call you right back. Calling the cops on you. Calling the cops. I'm calling the cops on you. You better put that down. Okay.
Fuck you talking about?
DC 911.
What's the address of the emergency?
I'm on Bladensburg Road, heading south on Bladensburg, and I just had a driver get out and threaten me with a weapon.
Okay, Bladensburg and what, sir? What 100 block or what other cross street?
I'm now on 17th. I'm behind the driver now.
You're following the driver, sir?
Let me get the license plate. It's New York HMP 7829.
Okay. New York tag, HMP as in Paul.
Yep.
78229.
29. Right.
Okay, and what color, what type of vehicle?
It's a silver Nissan Altima.
Okay, and the person black, white, Asian, Hispanic?
Black female, and she got out I'm not even sure why she got out, but she got out in front of me, and she had a like a black police baton, and she was threatening to strike me or something. I'm not really sure what her issue was.
Okay, so I need you to pull over somewhere so the police can come to you and do the report, file the report.
Okay.